Right, it's flashing, so that means it's recording, okay? It should be recording. Now I'm going to put my video camera on my phone, not too close, I don't want to get it burnt. That's also recording. I'm going to put it down here. Oh, it won't get burnt from here, it'll be alright. Right, it's looking straight up.
Don't say I want it.
I know, right. Don't pull that blue wire because it's connected.
Yeah.
Let's come around the other side. This way. Right.
First you press turn that.
Yeah, do a test. Okay. Right. Now you can lift that up. Blake, press that button and hope for the best.
No, Dad. Army.
Oh, army switch, sorry, yeah.
Switch. Army switch.
Go on, army.
Press that.
Push that silver one up.
Push that silver one. Push it. It's landed!
And we got it back.
Yes!
Come on, Blakey. And I think the only reason we got it back, do you know why?
Look
Because
at
the parachute didn't open properly and it came down all tangled up and it came down faster than normal. But we got it back.
Yeah.
And is the camera still on? Let's see. I'm aiming at a Blake. It's flashing, which is a good sign.
Ah,
Okay, guys.
yes. I think it's
Turn it.
successful.
I'm going to turn